Good morning everyone again. I'm happy to see you again with a new cooking video. Today we are going to see الكسرة محشية. We are going to see this traditional Algerian kind of bread. It's really tasty. I'm gonna make it for lunch. You can have it a kind of dinner as well, or a snack. And please guys, as I always say, this is an English video, an educative video. The purpose of this video is to learn some words related to English, related to the kitchen, related to cooking. So I'm not a chef, I'm not an expert, so bear with me. So we go to see the ingredients. Let's go. So what do I have here? So of course I need semolina. So this fine semolina, okay. We need oil. We need olive oil. We need, I always add milk because it gives it this, texture, and also this beautiful color, this brown color. We need some salt, some sugar, and also I'm going to add like teaspoon of yeast, الخميرة هذه, you see, just teaspoon, the teaspoon, very small quantity, again for the color, to give it beautiful color. I need some seeds, البذور, so you can use black seeds, for example, الحبة السوداء, and without forgetting water. Okay, so I'm going to add all the ingredients here and show you the dough in some seconds. So as you can see here, I have forged 4 balls. As you can see, these are bigger than these. Why? Because I need to roll the first ball bigger than the other one. Why? Because I'm going to put my stuffing هو الحشو, and then I'm going to close with the other one. Let's see how. So hello again. So as you can see, here are my 2 balls. I call them balls. So this one is bigger than this. So let's talk about this stuffing اللي هو الحشو. So what did I put in my stuffing? So I put peppers, green peppers. I put some carrots, onions, tomatoes, tomato paste, and also some cheese. Okay, it's gonna be so delicious. So I'm going to put, come here. So I'm gonna put some stuffing here. This is enough. I forgot, I put some chicken as well. I told you maybe before that I'm a chicken freak, which means that I like chicken a lot. We use the word freak, by the way, to show that you are interested in something. We can say someone is sports freak. It means he or she is fond of sports. Okay? Nice. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the other one. I'm gonna put it on the top. Like this. Now, I'm going to take the borders and try to close firmly. This is why I told you the first one needs to be bigger. Put my الكسرة on the oven and see you after to see the final result. So guys, as you can see, this is the final result. Let me bring a knife and slice it. Okay, it's hot, by the way. Bismillah, Bismillah. So this is it. Oops, very hot. So this is the final result. I don't know if you can see the stuffing. Believe me, it's very delicious. Try it at home. So thanks for watching and see you very soon with a new video. Take care. Share the video. Share it.